So see what I get here. Because the brute forcing that they're may be able to get password, so I get a password here to telnet. Account detail, username is user, and telnet password is uh, user. So they're a valid credentials. So I will able to get all details from here. Okay. So brute forcing is successful, and I am able to get a password. Maybe you're not able to get password, or maybe you're able to get password. So I get a password. Username is user, and password is also user, right? So they are valid credentials because the nmap have by default word list. So they're trying to find the hash in the word list, and they break this password. So now I can do telnetting because I get a password. So telnet and IP of victim machine is 192.168.160.128. Enter now. So username is user and password is also user. So what they are? They are called banner of telnet. So when you put this command, you're able to grab the banners. It's called banner grabbing. Okay. So my put the password is user. Wait. Username is user and password is also user. Okay, done. So now check path pwd enter. So I am in the home user, so I can do anything. Like I want to create a folder in the victim machine. So mkdir and folder name is like test one enter. So now I'm going on this path in the victim machine and try to get the I see I want to say that I will able to make a thing or not. So let me log in with user and user and check path. So now do ls. So see, I just make a test folder, test one, right? Now I am going on my machine here and I want to remove this folder. So rm -rf remove forcefully and recursively. Folder name is test one. Enter. Now do ls. It's removed. Go here and do ls. So ls. So nothing is there. Again, I just want to make a test file, blank file with a touch space test one. Enter. Now just go on metasploitable and check ls. Something made or not. Yeah, I make a test file. This one ls-l. You can check this file or folder. This file, right? So now just go on your Kali machine and try to remove this file rm -rf and test one. Do ls. Nothing is there. So go here again. Victim machine ls. Nothing is there. So it is called telnet enumeration. So it is a deep scanning part of telnet. So we are learning here how to perform more deep scanning with nmap script, and maybe I will able to get the valid credentials here. I may not be. So if I'm not able to get this thing, then I go for the next module for system hacking. In doubt, anyone? In doubt, anyone? Jihad?
No, sir, no doubt.
Sending the file to everyone, okay. And recording also sent tomorrow. Okay. Today also, I'm just trying. Okay. So tomorrow we start my next module is FTP enumeration. So today we learn nmap, like a telnet enumeration with the nmap script. So tomorrow my topic is FTP enumeration with nmap script, right? Aisha, uh, in doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Melissa.
No, sir, no, sir. I do have few doubts because you understand that I missed a lot of classes. So let me watch all the recordings. Then if I have any doubts, I'll really come back to you.
Okay. So in doubt, now in doubt to you.
No, now no, sir.
Okay. ठीक है, sending this PDF
Sir,
file. Yeah. Who? Uh,
sir, we GR.
yeah, Jian.
So basically, we are just scanning through the vulnerable ports, right, to get valuable information
So
if we can
ports
get
are
it.
vulnerable. Yeah. Hello, with the nmap, and okay. So without the vulnerable ports, so not vulnerable. You can't say vulnerable. Okay, because if you're communicating with any network, so by default you have all active port. Without active port, you're not able to get communication. So for example, I'll show you like CMD, and I'm just the recording is happening now. Like when I put here net stat hyphen a. See, I am now communicating multiple number of ports. Multiple number of ports is enabled in my computer. So it's default route our internet. So our internet my this all ports are communicating. So I can't say that they all port are vulnerable, right? So they're
Okay,
active
sir.
port. So I have to make it vulnerable.
Okay. So we are checking for like if it is weak somewhere or it's open somewhere.
Yeah.
Is it something like that, or what exactly is it?
Simple. Without if without any port is not open, then how you can get in a computer or devices? For the hacking
Right.
to the computer, at least you have to open socket and port numbers, right?
Right.
So
So we can scan any.
active port numbers will help you to get exploited. And the active port number is
Okay.
service running behind the port number. Service like for example, on the port number 3038. Okay, and the port number 3038, a service is called MySQL running. So depending upon this version, not port number only. Port number open है matter नहीं करता है. The port number is open, but which service running behind this port number? Like MySQL and the version, like for 13.0.0.5. So if they're updated version, so if they're newer version, so it is very difficult to find exploits. And you can get the exploit, but in the paid tools. Okay, I'll show you. Let me show you. Okay, so we have to find the exploit depending upon the version. Port is open, it's okay, but what is running in this port number? MySQL. What is version? This one. So depending upon the version, I have to find the exploits. Okay.
Okay. So we are
So
just
we
scanning
are
through the famous ones.
yeah, we are just learning on the free version, tools only.
Okay.
Like Nmap is a free version tool, not free. Sorry, when you use the metasploitable, metasploitable tool, so they are. I am using the community version, free version, but in the paid versions they will cost you 10 lakh rupees more for 1 year subscriptions. Okay, and here you are able to get more exploits on the different versions also. And show you can see from here. It is cost approximately $15,000, approximately 12 lakh rupees for one year only. And additional feature you can get from this one. So in the company, when you're working as a like a network engineer, sorry, like ethical hacker, they will give you the paid tools also to work on it. Okay, but the way are same. In the paid version, you're able to get more and more exploits, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to communicate, then you must need a port number. Without the port number, no one is communicating. So port number like a Windows from where we are able to communicate. So everything is happening over internet or network is active port numbers. See, my computer is now exposed on this port number. So they're by default route our internet. So our internet, this number, this much of the port is enabled in my computer now. 135.045.903.913. So this port are enabled. So I can try to attack on the computer by any active port numbers. Okay. So you can't say
Yes,
that
sir.
all port are vulnerable or exposed. Okay, है ना? I am able to expose this port number because a low version of the service running on this port number.
Okay.
So the main thing is active port number and the version running on this port number. Version of services. Okay. In doubt? Jihad.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. This is new document. Which one? Secret. Which one is my text file? This file name is new document in map script. In map script is there. Can send your mail ID everyone. Yeah, maybe I sent to everyone no, in the previous classes, right? Panchal, Devasis, Subham, Tansi, not this one. Can share your email ID everyone on chat box. Vishnu, Melissa, share your mail ID.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
I also shared. So can you send me the notes that you have so far also?
Yeah, I'll send a reference book to you also. Wait, na.
So please send it to me as well.
Okay, I'm sending everyone. Wait. Okay, TXT file. Text down. In map scripts. Okay, send to everyone, and recording is sent within 1 hour or tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.